Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Wowza here, bringing you a live com as always. I'm usually always doing live comms because you know my editing ain't that great yet with adding the voice and all that shit. But I will be getting Sony Vega soon, as I said in the video before this. But yeah, we're gonna do pistols only TDM. What map? I honestly don't even know this map. A Metro. Alright, so hopefully I don't die by the train too many times, but yeah, I'm using the MR6 with, what do I have it on? I have high caliber fast mags, and I'm running 2 stuns and an aid. I am going to be using streaks. I'm just going for, I want to see how many kills I can get. I definitely won the wall. Oh, done. That was a pussy move.
Profit kill.
He was one shot.
Special KIA.
Ooh, starting off hot here. Sorry, I was getting into it. Woo!
Triple kill.
We're on a streak right now, boys.
That's a kill.
Woo!
Hailstorm on standby.
Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, they pinched me. I would have had a chance to dip, but they pinched, so it's all Gooch though. Alright, I'll take that too.
That work's gone.
Well, yeah, one's definitely gonna push it. Oh man, got me. Man, I can't stand the PO6. To see my teammate with that just like upsets me.
Hostile HCXD in your AO.
HC. What? Wow, that was bullshit. I mean, fucking dude, everybody, so that you
Be
cannot
advised,
hear them
hostile
bitch
UAV
in
incoming.
line about my pistol skills. You know, I've died like a lot in a row. Yeah. Oop, can I see that guy? Oh yeah, I saw him. Saw him, coach. Oh, my teammate's gonna get him. He's in the water somewhere.
Mobile infantry down.
What? Did my last bullet not hit? My iron sights are right on him. Ah. And I'm carrying the team right now.
Be advised, hostile care package
That
overhead.
guy scared me. Oh, barnacles camping in the corner. Fucking fat people, man.
Authorized lightning strike. My
Oh, I think, yeah, there's a roof over there. They're all. Oh,
enemy
let's
down.
see. Oh, war machine. You little nerd. Oh, come here, come here, come to daddy. Oh, I see you running away.
Special KIA.
Oh, there's another guy out here. He's one shot. Oh my lord.
Hostile
Woo!
lightning strike targeting active.
He already.
Be advised, hostile lightning strike.
Battery KIA.
Oh, that person scared me right there too. Oh, what am I thinking? Doesn't matter. All you gotta do is spray a shotgun. Looks like I'm gonna do better than my last video with a pistol. Go, man. Go. Turn up, squad. One shot. Wow. I really don't care how many times I die because I'm using a pistol, but
Profit.
man, there's always multiple of them. It's so hard for me. My trigger finger is whack. I don't have a freaking trigger stoppers, so trigger finger is not too good. Fuck no.
They're gone. That work's gone.
Ah, freaking VMP guy, man. Pretty solid. He's the one keeping up with me. Keep pushing the same area. We're gonna go around the outside. Ah! No, he's one shot. I feel like I always hit like the first 2 to 3 bullets and then just sell out. That's my problem. He's pushing it now. There's gonna be another guy coming through here though.
That's a kill.
Heard him. I heard another one slide. Did I? Or am I tripping out? Ah, strange relic. Looks like we're doing pretty good though. My team's winning.
That's a kill.
Oh, this guy's got a freaking one. Definitely got to buy my shit. Oh, I didn't. Why'd I shoot? Oh, I straight boogied. Where's he at? Oh, you bitch. Oh, man. Woo! Relic, man. It's not too bad. That guy must have been. Ah. Well, 30 with a pistol isn't too bad. This is my second game on, too. I played my first game with the Kuda, which is my first video I'm uploading today. I really wanted to get 2 up, though, because I didn't upload yesterday. Wow, that guy's still going to be there. Did they get him? No, they didn't get him. I'm going to stun him. Should I nade him? Should I be that guy? Oh, they did kill him. Ah! Oh, whoever watched that, don't make fun of me. That guy scared me. I really did. Oh, oh, he's gonna be mad. Ah! Oh.
KIA.
Oh man, oh yeah, I'm gonna get 40 with the pistol. Woo! Kitty Volt, my man's Kitty Volt out here. Ah, come on teammates, you're on my dick. Shoulder fucking me. Come on teammates, man, come on! I can't even move with these fuckers. Oh, you suck, man. You missed me with the Tempest. Oh no, I might actually choke 40 at this rate. Why did I challenge an AR? Man, I'm just a silly goose sometimes. Well, this is a really close game. Other team actually could come out with the shit. Come on, strange relic, stop trying, man. I put a VMP on and you would see if I was using a VMP this game. That would have been it. This would have been the 70 game, I think. Wow, fuckers, man. I'm gonna choke the 40 with the pistol. They keep flanking. Ah, why does there have to be 3 of them, dude? Oh my lord, these guys are great Call of Duty players. Not only are we losing, but I'm about to choke the 40. Double whammy, Jesus Christ. Shoot me from everywhere, bro. Look at them, 3 of them! What the fuck, dude? Well, I choked the 40, guys. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, show some love. I'll be streaming later on Twitch, but the link to my Twitch and my Twitter will be in the description. So stay updated on my Twitter. I always tweet out when my stream is started. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.